2018 Ford EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers you the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, compass, trip computer, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.